The Air Jordan 6 Wide Infrared will make its highly anticipated return in late 2026, coinciding with the silhouette's 35th anniversary. Originally released in 1991 during Michael Jordan's championship era, this pair is among the most iconic Jordans ever. Having seen previous retros in 2010 and 2014, fans were left wanting more due to shape differences and branding changes. This upcoming release promises a true-to-OG build, bringing back the original 1991 mold and the classic Nike Air logo on the heel. Maintaining its timeless appeal, the sneaker features a clean white leather base, striking infrared accents on the midsole, tongue, heel tab, and lace lock, with black detailing to balance the look. Finishing touches include an icy translucent outsole. Retailing for $215, the pair will drop through Nike.com and select Jordan brand retailers.